As we approach 2025, securing the best health insurance is crucial for safeguarding both your physical and financial well-being, and three standout options, Blue Cross Blue Shield, United Healthcare, and Kaiser Permanente, consistently rank as top choices due to their extensive coverage, affordability, and customer satisfaction. Blue Cross Blue Shield, one of the most trusted names in healthcare, offers a vast network of over 1.7 million doctors and hospitals nationwide, making it ideal for those who prioritize flexibility and accessibility, particularly for families or frequent travelers. BCBS plans are known for their comprehensive coverage, including preventive care, mental health services, and chronic disease management, with customizable options like PPOs, HMOs, and high-deductible plans paired with health savings accounts to suit varying budgets. Their 2025 updates include enhanced telehealth benefits, lower copays for primary care visits, and expanded wellness incentives, reinforcing their commitment to affordable, high-quality care. United Healthcare stands out for its innovative digital tools, such as the UHC app, which provides real-time claims tracking, virtual doctor visits, and personalized wellness programs, making healthcare management seamless and user-friendly. UHC's extensive plan lineup includes employer-sponsored, Medicare Advantage, and individual marketplace options, with standout features like $0 virtual urgent care, prescription drug discounts, and global emergency coverage, perfect for tech-savvy individuals and international travelers. In 2025, UHC is rolling out AI-driven health coaching and predictive analytics to help members proactively manage chronic conditions, further solidifying its reputation as a leader in preventive care. Kaiser Permanente, a top choice for integrated care, excels with its all-in-one system combining insurance, hospitals, and physician services under one umbrella, ensuring streamlined, coordinated treatment without the hassle of out-of-network referrals. Kaiser's emphasis on preventive medicine, including free annual checkups, nutrition counseling, and fitness programs, has led to higher patient satisfaction and better health outcomes, particularly for those managing diabetes or heart disease. Their 2025 enhancements focus on same-day telehealth appointments, expanded mental health services, and lower-cost generic medications, making them a powerhouse for cost-effective, high-efficiency care, especially in California, Colorado, and the Pacific Northwest where their coverage is strongest. When comparing these insurers, BCBS is best for nationwide coverage and flexibility, UHC for tech-driven convenience, and Kaiser for integrated, preventive care. Key factors to consider include premiums, deductibles, out-of-pocket maximums, and specialty services like maternity or alternative therapies. For young adults, UHC's budget-friendly plans with robust app support may be ideal, while families might prefer BCBS's broad provider network. Seniors often favor Kaiser's Medicare Advantage plans for their all-inclusive approach. Regardless of choice, reviewing 2025's Affordable Care Act updates, such as expanded subsidies and mandatory coverage for gender-affirming care, can help maximize value.